and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make few very important things. Envelopes. Yes, you think I brought these envelopes from the store? No, I'm sorry, you're wrong. I made them myself. It's very simple and easy. You just need a paper, glue, scissors, and as you can see here, the flaps are curved. Here, the edges are curved. So to get neat curves, I'm using a pencil. You can use a pencil or a pen. So let's start. But before starting, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So let's start now. So first, I'll take a paper. First, you need to fold your paper like this. And then now you need to fold this flap like this neatly. Like this. Then now you are going to fold your paper like this on both the sides. Then now you're going to open this like this, and first cut off the top part like this. Do the same on the other side. And do the same on the bottom. Don't cut this part, the center. And do the same on the other side. So now you are going to fold this up and cut till this part like this. Cut this piece off and do the same on the other side. Then apply glue on these flaps and some glue on this side, and then fold it. And then do the same on the other side. So you get a little pocket. Now I'm going to cut the top flap, halves, corners and curves. I'm going to draw it so that it's easy to cut. Then use a scissor and cut them. And cut neatly on the pencil mark. Like that. Do the same on the other side. You can use a pen or pencil to draw your outline, but if you're good at cutting curves, no need. Here is our simple and easy to make envelope. You can make many different kinds. You can also curve these ends if you like this one. These parts have curves. Even the top flap. It looks much better. And I've made another one just like this in a different color. You can make these many different colorful envelopes, and every letter of yours will be fun. We use envelopes in our day-to-day life, from important letters to letters to friends and family. We also keep many different letters inside these and gifts for birthdays. And the envelopes come in many different colors, and you can also decorate and color these envelopes. They will make every letter of yours joyful, fun and happy. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Ta-ta!